There's a way to use AI for content right now that almost nobody is doing, and the people who figure this out are going to grow like crazy. I used this over the past 30 days and got 2.2 million views on Instagram alone. What it is using a self-learning AI agent to handle all of your social media. It's super easy to build. Here's how the whole thing works. Up here, we have competitor post data. Here, we have our own post data. And here is where the content strategy actually happens. Let's start with how my own Instagram post fuels this entire thing. So I post something on Instagram. After a certain period of time, the performance data goes into a spreadsheet. Also, when I make this post on Instagram, the transcript goes to a writer AI agent. This agent writes the first draft of the post, sends it to another agent that edits that post to make it more like my writing, and then it gets published. On this side, we have the performance data, and then we send it to an AI agent whose only job it is to analyze the performance. That analysis gets sent to our content strategy AI agent, as well as all of the historic data of what works and what didn't. In addition to that, it also gets the performance data of other people who post content in my niche. And there's a whole nother agent who analyzes this and sees if there's a good overlap between the type of content that they have doing well and the type of content that I create that does well based on my performance data. It took me about 2 hours to set up, and now every time I post on Instagram, it fuels this whole system, and then the ideas come from the AI. If you want a full walkthrough, comment below, and if enough people do, I'll put something together and send it to everyone.